So let's look at question 9. The nth term of a sequence is 3n plus 4. Explain why 21 is not in that sequence. And there are two ways you can do this. One way is to work out the sequence this way. If I put 1 into there, 3 ones are 3 plus 4 is 7. And I know this goes up in threes. Let's try it. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 is 10. You see, this 3 tells me it goes up in threes. And 21 isn't there. So you could say it starts at 7 and goes in threes, and 21 isn't in it. Or you can say, well, if it is in the sequence, then there must be a value of 1, a whole value, what we call an integer, that works. Take away the 4. Take away 4 from that. And now divide by 3. If this is going to work, then that should be a whole number. And it's not a whole number. In fact, it's about 5.7. So you explain that there is no whole number that makes it. Here, the question says, first 3 terms, different sequence. Write down 2 numbers that could be the 4th and 5th. Give the rule. Okay, well, 1, 2, 4. It's always handy at this point to look at the differences. So let's just explore the differences. That is plus 1, plus 2. So I could say plus 3, plus 4. And so I would say here, if that was a rule, that would be 7 and 11. Add an extra 1 each time. Or you may have found a different one. You may have said, oh look, I'm doubling each time. I'm timesing by 2 each time. In which case, the numbers you'd get would be 8 and 16. You say double each time. Only choose one of those. There you go. What about question 10? It's looking bigger now, isn't it? Here's a number machine. A number machine is something that you put in and out it comes. Something comes out. And that's what a number machine does. So here, output, work out the output if the input is 8. So I put 8 in, times it by 5, subtract 2. Why not use this fella here? This would look like an obvious one to use, wouldn't it? So I would do 8 times 5 equals 40, and then take away 2. 38. What about this next bit? Work out the input. So now I've got to work out the input. The machine was doing this and out popped 28. Now think, I've got to go backwards. I've got to go backwards, which means I do the opposite operation. Okay? So 28 add 2 is 30, divided by 5 is 6. Let's try question 11. Oh, sorry, cat. So, question 11. Adam gets a bonus of 30% of £80. Katie gets a bonus of £28. Work out the difference between the bonuses. So, okay, Bonzo, are we going to do this? Firstly, 30% of 80. 30% means 30% of 80. So on my calculator, I do 30 divided by 100 times 80, 24. So Adam gets £24. Katie gets a bonus of 28. So this is Adam's, and Katie gets 28. The difference, 4. Difference means take away, doesn't it? Okay. There are 49 counters in a bag. 20 are red, the rest are blue. So, first thing I'm going to do is 49 take away the 20 equals. So I know that that must be 29. One of the counters is taken at random. Find the probability it's blue. So to work out the probability, what you need to do is find out the success, if I can spell success, over total. So that's the thing you need to work out. So the probability of success here is getting a blue, and we know there are 49. Boom. Hope that's helped.